If you were in an accident right now and could not speak, could your phone tell first responders what your blood type is or who to call? For most people, the shocking answer is no, but it can. And today, I will show you how. Hello, I am Dr. Mariz, and welcome to the Modern Senior. Every smartphone in your pocket has a powerful but often ignored life-saving feature. It is called Medical ID on iPhone or Emergency Information on Android. This information can be accessed by anyone, even from your lock screen, without needing your password. In a critical moment, when every second counts, this feature can speak for you when you cannot. Not having it set up is a risk you should not take. Let's set it up together. It only takes 3 minutes. First, for iPhone users. Step 1. Go to Settings, then scroll down and tap on Health. Step 2. Tap on Medical ID, then tap Edit in the top right corner. Step 3. Fill in your crucial information. Your name, date of birth, medical conditions, any allergies, and the medications you are taking. Step 4. Most importantly, add your emergency contacts. Choose your spouse, your children, or a trusted friend. Step 5. Scroll to the very bottom and make sure Show When Locked is turned on. This is the most critical step. Then tap Done. Now, for Android users. The steps can be slightly different depending on your phone's brand, like Samsung or Google, but they are very similar. Step 1. Go to Settings, then look for a section named Safety and Emergency. Step 2. Tap on Medical Information. Here, you can add your health conditions, allergies, and medications. Step 3. Go back and tap on Emergency Contacts to add the people you want to be called in an emergency. Step 4. Make sure the option to make this information accessible from the lock screen is enabled. So how does a first responder access this? It is simple. From any lock screen, they can tap on Emergency. On the emergency call screen, there will be a button that says Medical ID or View Emergency Information. Tapping this reveals everything you just entered without needing to unlock your phone. It gives them the information they need to save your life. This is not just another setting on your phone. It is your digital life-saving bracelet. It is your voice in a crisis. I urge you, more than any other video I have made, please pause this video after it ends and take the 3 minutes to set this up. Then, show this video to your spouse, your parents, and your friends, and help them do it too. It is one of the most important things you can do for them. This is what we do here at the Modern Senior. We make technology simple and life-saving. If you found this guide helpful, please click the subscribe button so you do not miss our next video. I am Dr. Mariz. Stay safe and stay modern.